Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 CLA 250-4MATIC. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This CLA 250 has 38,167 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.